Mosaic Templars Cultural Center and Loblolly Creamery have teamed up for Black History Month to create Maple Ragtime, a new flavor to honor Arkansas's history and to help raise money for the renovations at the Cultural Center. From now through March, part of every purchase of Maple Ragtime will go to the project. The new flavor is a tribute to ragtime composer Scott Joplin, who grew up in Texarkana. His father was a freed North Carolina slave who worked for the railroad, and his mother was a freeborn African-American woman from Kentucky who cleaned houses. He is known as the King of Ragtime. He composed more than 40 ragtime numbers for piano, including his most famous Maple Leaf Rag and The Entertainer, which was included in the film The Sting. Scott Joplin was posthumously awarded a Pulitzer Prize in 1976 for an opera he wrote. Mosaic and Loblolly also have teamed up on a story time for families to focus on the value of diversity at 7 p.m. every Thursday this month on Facebook Live and YouTube.